Hey guys, Moto Blokes here. Today we're going to be riding some abandoned treks, we're going to be doing some jumps and a whole lot of other stuff, so hope you guys enjoy.
Holy crap! Different. I'm not going down that one. A quick breather. Bro, this place is so cool. I've never been here before. Massive berm up there. There's a track that looks pretty interesting. And a massive hill climb. I do not know if I'll hit that. Whoa, look at this view. Holy. But no track. Jump off the ledge. Not really. It's terrifying. Oh, that was so sick. Oh yes, bro. That's like a jump, bro. This is like a perfect jump. Yo, I'm gonna hit this. This is sick. Go, boy. Hoon it. These gloves are way too small for me. Yeah. What a G. my gosh! That was so sick! Oh, let's go! Oh, crap. So this used to be one of the inlets to Muriwai Beach called Rimmers Road Cutout, and you'd got there, but they've dug holes, blocked it off, blocked the road down there. I'm not too sure why. I think it might be for forestry. I don't know. I think it's for forestry reasons. But it's kind of sad though, because it's the only other inlet, and then there's one way up the beach, Wilson's Road, which is sick. So this is the Rimmers Road kind of sign thing. No camping, no fires, no shooting, and someone shot like a slug gun, or a shotgun slug right into the sign next to it. Yeah, I definitely do not want to be riding in here. So I'll go hit some other trails and have some fun. Yo, that trail looks sick. She is all blocked off, no good. The question is, what is down this trail? This looks sick. Oh, yo, oh my gosh, bro, where's my bike still? Alright, there's a trail to the right, trail to the left. I've been up that track and I don't think it's any good. So this is the forestry road, old forestry road. I think it's called Coast Road or something. But yeah, it looks like they've dropped the trees and stuff. Let's go check out what's over there. I think I saw a track. I hope it's a track. Oh yeah, there's a track down here. start. Oh, there's another trail over there. I have to find out where that one goes. It looks like they've been digging this one out as well. No good. Bro, what? any other lines. It looks like there's that line, no one really goes up. I'll go check it out. Oh crap! That was not a very good line. This is sick. What? Yo. Alrighty, that's gonna do it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoy this little blast around up Muriwai Beach, trails and whatnot. Comment down below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, boys.